How to design better than a pro with Canva's secret feature.
Before you start watching, please kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. So what exactly does Canva's secret feature do? It's simple. All you have to do is drag and drop your image into Canva, and the program automatically scales it to fit any size design template you choose. You'll need Canva, of course. You'll also need a browser, like Firefox and Chrome. If you're using another browser, give it some time. Support for other browsers is rolling out over time. But let me tell you this time you don't need laptop or desktop before you can design your graphics with Canva Pro. With your smartphone and Canva app you can design anything not like Pro. Do you want to start designing like a pro with Canva? Kindly go to the description below. Before you start, designing well is hard, especially when you don't have any design skills. But with tools like Canva, anyone can design beautiful graphics that look as though they were created by an experienced designer. If you want to quickly and easily create effective designs, follow these steps. Click on this link to get one-time payment of Canva Pro for just $1,000. https://bit.ly/3mo2x. Step 1. Choose a template. Use one of our templates to get started quickly. If you'd like something more personalized, head over to our custom design page. You can start from scratch by uploading your own image or designing from scratch on our blank canvas and adding text and shapes afterward. Click to get Canva Pro for just $1,000. https://bit.ly/3mo2x. Step 2. Add your image. Open up your newly created image in Canva and drag your image from your computer onto any of these pre-made templates. This will make sure that you have perfectly sized images for any social media platform. To ensure maximum quality, resize and crop if necessary, without altering the proportions of your artwork. In doing so, you will avoid an awkward photo where people look like they're too tall or too short. If you still need some help getting started, here are some tips on how to add imagery. https://bit.ly/3mo2x. Step 3. Focus on typography. Text is what really captures your audience's attention. It can help them understand, learn and retain information that's valuable for their business or personal lives. To get your point across effectively, it's important to use typography strategically and design professionally every time you create content. Here are 4 ways to do just that. https://bit.ly/3mo2x. Step 4. Add extras like grids, borders and text elements. Sometimes your design needs just that little extra something special. Using grids, borders and text elements are all simple things you can add into your design from within Canva. You will find them under Layouts, Layer, once you have selected an image. Selecting one of these elements can help highlight parts of your design and draw people's attention to what is important or interesting about it. Save your work and share it. If you work on a project over multiple days or want to share it, make sure you save your work. If your computer crashes or there's an emergency, you don't want all that time spent on something lost. It can also be useful if you're collaborating with someone else and they want to view your progress, especially if they're not tech-savvy. We recommend setting up autosave in case of computer failure. Where you can use your design. Websites, emails, social media and print. Now that you have your design, where can you use it? Websites, emails, social media, graphics and print pieces all make great places for your work. Whether you're looking to get more traffic on your website or reach out to more people in print marketing campaigns, choosing an effective image will take it from ho-hum to fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share and like.